Hi, my name's Paula and welcome to my vlog. In my last vlog I discussed things or tips about my travel or packing in general. However, this time around I'm going to discuss things the essentials in my overnight bag on a plane. Okay, so this is just everything spread out. I have my trusty suitcase, which I spoke to you about last time, which I absolutely love. It's a brand called Away, and it has a charger built in up the top there that you can take out. Okay, that's number one. Number two, I always take a cardigan. This is actually quite a big cardigan. Normally I just take something very light, but because I'm taking my big bag, I have decided to take something a little bit bigger because I need it in Sydney anyway. Okay, so this is number one, something to put on the plane because it's always cold. Now, if you're only doing a short haul, then I would suggest that you have something like this. This I always taking like a shawl or a scarf to put around my legs, to put around my neck, to use as an extra blanket or just to use as a blanket. If it's a short haul, I'll just take this and not this. Otherwise, I'll take this as well. It can do lots of things just everywhere, just for that little extra coverage. If you're a woman, if you're a guy, it's a bit different. If you're going on a budget airline as well, this is great for a blanket. Okay, the other things that I like to ensure I pack is socks because my feet get really cold, especially if I'm flying economy. Okay, now these are a few other things. So my book, which I'm reading at the moment. Normally I would take if I'm traveling a lot, I would take my Kindle because it's easier and I can throw a couple of books on there. But this time around I'm taking my book because my Kindle's in Sydney, and then I will pick up my Kindle and travel to the US with it. Okay, the other thing that I swear by are these little things. Okay, so this here gives me a little bit of a boost in my legs when they're sore. Especially when I'm traveling a long way, I'll rub a little bit on there before I fly, and then during the night I might fly. During the night I might put a little bit more on there as well. Next, I tend to take a plastic bag these days because you just never know in what country that whether they make you take it out or not. So just in case they do, I normally put these little things in my handbag, not in this bag, and in this. So what I have in here is things like this. So like I said to you before, for me, it is all about the little tiny things. I just love taking tiny stuff. It's a bit of a sleep serum that I put on my face before I fly. Now, this is a little pack that I got from, I think it was Qantas. I think that brand's Qantas. But anyway, so I keep all these packs for this reason. I am not flying business this time, so I will need all the help that I can get and everything that I can take. So I bring these with me. Little things like face moisturizer. Okay, I probably won't take this one because I've got the oil. What else is in this little pack? You have lip moisturizer, which I swear by. You have the hand and body cream. Yep, that's a good one. And this spritzer for when you arrive. What I do is every time, look, I won't take this time, but this is just a little bit of a tip. If you get samples, keep them, because this is when I use them. I usually use them on a plane. If I don't get little things like that, because I'm not flying business. And if you've run out of some of this stuff, what I tend to do is get some Vaseline and I put it in these little jars. Because this can go, this is great. This is for your lips. This is for any dry areas on your body, on your bottoms of your feet. Vaseline's good for lots of stuff. So I tend to do that as well when I'm traveling. This is bigger than I normally take. I normally take a smaller sample size, But if you don't have room for, or you don't have a tiny bottle of perfume, then I spray this when I get off the flight, just so that I don't smell. And of course, I take my toothbrush, which I haven't got here, but I do take my little toothbrush so that I can brush my teeth when I arrive, just so that I can feel. Now I do take a set of headphones on the plane. I normally take some two things. I either take these ones, just so that it depends. I mean, I guess it depends on where I am or what I'm doing, but always have these as a spare and a backup. However, my noise cancelling headphones are a must if you've got rid of your bag, because, like, if you're like me, I'm always being put next to a baby. Anyway, so this is my backup. I always take these just in case I forget. So the other things that I pack are a few things. So my deodorant, always have to have my deodorant, some tissues, you just never know, and either some lozenges or some chewing gum. So I get bad ears. This is my favourite thing ever. So a friend of mine mentioned this at the beginning of this year, because he has one, and it is really good. Let me show you. So it has like four zippers, so you've got 4 areas, and I literally put all my currency in each of them. So if I'm going to a few different places, I just swap everything in my wallet for these. And I've got some money in here from Australia, which I will need because I'm about to head out there. And in fact, I will go through and get some of my other currency, which I'll need. I'll need the, I've got some Canadian dollars. Yeah, I think I do actually. So I'll grab those and then I can put them in here and some American dollars. So that I'm just. Okay, so the other thing I'm going to take on board this time, I haven't taken it before, so watch this space, is something I picked up in Shenzhen. I've been wanting one for ages and I picked it up, and I haven't had the opportunity to. In fact, I don't think the kids would want to be seen with me if I used it. But I bought this. I just blew it up. I'm going to try it. See? So you basically put your head through here. Basically put your head through here and your arms through here. And you sleep like that. So I can have a look and see if it works. I tend to take this little pouch thing here that I picked up in Amsterdam, and it has a few little goodies in there. I have like some Panadol, I have some lozenges, I have some hair things, just bits and pieces that you just may need. A pen, always need a pen, some sleeping tablets, just some stuff that, you know, that you just may need on a plane. Extra cord. That's it from me, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.